From the brand Merci you can now also get chocolate bars. The difference of this product to regular chocolate is the size. In each package are 4 small packs in snack size. Let's open the package. You can see the small vanilla pieces inside of the chocolate. The taste is very creamy and the chocolate is melting fast on your tongue. The vanilla flavor is hard to notice, but white chocolate fans will like this product. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.